How to check Android phone activation date. In most cases, the activation date of a phone is also its purchase and IMEI activation date because people register it on the same day. The purchase date is often also the date of activation. So let's get started. A smartphone or tablet device is activated when we insert a SIM and sign in with a Google account. Fortunately, Google records when a phone or tablet is activated using a Google account. Open your Google account by clicking the link on a desktop or mobile browser. Then click the security options on the left navigation panel and select the Manage All Device option under the Your Devices panel, and you will now see all the devices you are currently signed into your Google account. And go to the Android section and select the Android device. You will see your Android phone or tablet's last use and activation date or first sign in date. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.